Hello everyone, and welcome to Trey Desmo. I was looking for some inspiration, so I decided since I was going to Dollar Tree, I would record a quick little video, and hopefully I can help someone get some inspiration like I was looking for. I was actually pretty surprised by my local Dollar Tree because they seem to never have anything, so let's take a look. Now these right here I saw first as I walked through the door, and they're pretty cute. I can see putting some permanent vinyl on there, the 651, and personalizing these for someone at school. Put some stickers on there, and then you move a little bit further down and you see all the notebooks and stuff, pencil cases. That could be a nice little back to school treat for somebody, or well, I wouldn't say college, that's probably too young for something like that, but they have the different color pens, and here's these lunch boxes. I can see putting a little HTV with a light pressure on the heat press. Now this right here is cute and it's solid, looks like ceramic, really good quality. They're good as is, and they could make perfect little gifts if you give somebody a fall basket or something like that. Or you can get some of that 100% acetone and remove the decoration and put your own using permanent 651 vinyl. And here's some little Thanksgiving signs. They're good. That has glitter on it already. Or you could put your own rhinestones and bling them out. Nice variety of different types of signs. I can see putting bling on the words for these, or blinging out the trunk. Right here, it looks like it's pressed wood, and they're wonderful door hangers, just as is. I was really impressed with the selection that they have. But if I change this, I would change it to bling. And look at the fall flowers; those are beautiful. These are some leftover summer decorations. If you're into that type of thing with the summer, it would be good to buy it now, because they'll probably be out of stock soon, and get ahead of the game before spring hits. And I can see putting rhinestones on these and hanging them. And I saw these cute little plastic shot glasses. Again, yet another, I'm a blinger, so first thing I'm thinking of is putting some clear rhinestones or color ones on these little shot glasses. Now these pumpkins are in like the $5 section, and they were a cute find. I was really impressed with the quality of these that I found. And they look like they're like styrofoam, but they have a nice hard coating on the top. And look how beautiful the colors are, like that orange, that pewter silver, the green. I don't know too much of what I would do different with these. I just think these are just gorgeous. Then I looked a little further and I saw these, and I'm thinking either you could make those baby boxes with that, put the HTV, put the permanent vinyl on the outside with the baby's name, and then of course put HTV on different items that you put inside of the boxes. And then I saw the sorter, and the first thing I thought of was using it for my different bling and different crafting supplies. That's good organization. And then they have these storage cubes. This is in the $3 and $5 aisle that I thought of, that you can personalize and give it to somebody like college students or something like that. They was really impressed again with their selection. Now this here is what I was thinking. The first thing I thought of was a memorial box. You see, it's a picture frame, a wooden box picture frame, and you can open it up and put different personalized items of the deceased in there. Paint it any color you want. I love the naked color, so you can do anything you like with it. You can bling it out, what have you. But that fact that you can put the picture inside of it is brilliant. And here's their Halloween aisle. Very nice signs and decoration, and I was really impressed with the way that they laid it out. Now in the Halloween aisle, this here caught my eye. This candy dish, clear transparent rhinestones all over that, all over it. It would just be beautiful, and there's different variety of colors. I see there's all black, there's that metallic silver, white, That would be the hit of Halloween right there, using something like that. Good idea. Different porcelain statues, and that would be good decorations. Different dolls. I can see putting charger plates, ribbons on those. That was a good selection. And I love these little fall signs I saw. I can bling these out, paint the back maybe black or white, $3. Maybe put a ribbon on there, or they had different metal signs. Look at all those fall signs. Just great for door hangings. The ribbon, the different type of ribbon if you're in the reefs. And look at these little sets. People are into those. You can bling those out too and sell them for really good. Now here, this was a nice little sturdy metal truck. I could see painting it red, adding some more decoration to the back. The flowers at Dollar Tree are always nice. I use those for diva reefs, diva charger plates, diva canvases. And I see here, then of course I used a different type of bling ribbon. They're always good for using it for accent pieces. They have a nice selection. I noticed this bling ribbon. I might be late to the game, but I've never seen that before. That was interesting, that color. And then these are just too cute. They are just too cute. You can color them any type, spray paint them, and then bling them out. And they would make beautiful accents pieces for any room. Nice sturdy wood. And I see they have little cutting boards. I don't know if that'll fit to my silhouette or not, but I didn't even buy one just to make sure. I wasn't sure. And then they have the different type of naked wood signs. And you make them any kind of color you want. They even had these metal signs. That's interesting. Be nice for door hangers. Just let your imagination go wild with these. I could see blinging those out in clear diamond rhinestones. Put some permanent vinyl on there, glitter it up. Then they have the good craft section. I liked all the different tools they had. If I'm running out of something and I can't make it to one of the big stores, I'll come here. Definitely. And of course you have your rocks that you can put inside of around the bases of candles, or you can use those tall glass vases and put them inside with water and a floating candle. Here's some shells for a beach scene. I mean, it's endless. I've never seen these type of rocks before here. That's perfect for different type of centerpieces. And then there's some more filler stones, look like diamonds. Wonderful. I noticed these stickers. I've never seen them before, and they are beautiful. My inspiration for these, I can see spray painting a stainless steel tumbler, sticking the stickers on there. If I need to, I can use something else with the stickers, like a E6000 or whatnot, covering it with epoxy. I can see these being on tumblers because I'm really into butterflies. That's the type of inspiration I'm getting first off, or else using them in my diva canvases also as accents to the background. I mean, that right there, I ended up buying that one that I just held up. And then of course they have their makeup section. Inspiration for this to me would be like putting together a nice spa basket, and like with those makeup brushes, you can bling out the handle and include that with a blinged out bathroom set. But definitely with the selection of makeup they have, it would make a perfect spa basket. Get some of those eye masks that they have also at Dollar Tree and include that with some scented soap. And then here's the baskets that you can put your makeup baskets in. Maybe get some of that shrink wrap to wrap around it. I see the different color baskets. That'd be good for birthdays, putting together a nice personalized basket and using these. Now here is my glass section, and I can see putting cotton balls or Q-tips in here, same as this one, or it could be a big candle jar. And of course the Stein beer mugs, I can bling those out or put glitter on there and epoxy. Football's coming up, so that'll be good. And cups. Always Always room for cups. These are some nice sturdy margarita type glasses. You could pimp those all the way out with some bling. I love my glasses. Then I saw this tumbler, and I've seen these before. To me, it's kind of cheap, so I wouldn't really mess with these. I can see putting permanent vinyl on there with a name for a child. I don't know. And I could see getting a decanter and adding the rock shot glasses to it. And then some leftover summer items. I don't know why I picked this up. That looks terrible. And these glasses, you can bling them out. And then here's the kitchen now. A lot of different selections with these. Put together some with the oven mitts. Put some HTV on the oven mitts and include the different spatulas and stuff with them. Personalize those. People like to get those for Christmas. Here's the oven mitts. You can do HTV. Put nice sands. And I see when I went, here's the blank ones, but they also have some already made. They have nice cute little sands on there. Like this one. Life is a Beautiful Ride. They're very nice. I was impressed with the quality and everything. Nice variety. Nice variety. And the baby owl. So of course that can go with that one thing that I showed you, the 14 by 14 plastic box. These are little items that can go inside of that to include with your baby box. Real cute selections. So basically you can shop out of the Dollar Tree and get a wide variety of different outfits to fill your baby box with. I don't know about the onesies, but for like the little incidentals like the socks and they have pacifiers. I don't know, I might make a trip to Walmart to fill that part up, but with the socks and everything, I think that's pretty acceptable. And maybe some wipes and stuff. Little scented shampoos with the characters on there. That's cute. That's really cute. So this would be a nice little kids clean up Christmas basket or birthday or just any time. I think they really enjoy that type of stuff. So that's my inspiration for that. And people at one time were making these tray sets. That would be a nice little beauty tray to work with. And last but not least, I went to the Fab $5 aisle again, and I see these beautiful swatches of fabric. And of course I was thinking little pillows, little keepsakes, or wrapping a fabric tumbler or a plate. Very nice variety. I ended up buying this one that I'm looking at. I don't know what to do with it yet, so hopefully you got some inspiration from this video and I enjoyed making it. And stay tuned because I will be making more of these, but hopefully I'll have more time next time to walk through, and I'm going to visit another Dollar Tree in the future. Thank you.